Hello, hello. Welcome back into the studio. I am excited because I kind of went a little crazy. I shopped. And I have four purchases here from four purchases from four different retailers. So this one's really new to me, but I was inspired by someone else's video that showed one of these in it. And of course, a friend of mine has a birthday coming up. So I got two. I got one for her and one for me, a fellow arty friend. So this is from Honeybee Stamps. And I love this little sticker. It'll go with my stickers for, oh look, that's cute. So Honeybee Stamps is where I found it. I saw this being used by Dee Catron and knew that I had to have one and knew that my girlfriend needed to have one too. So this is an upside down glue holder. So it keeps it from, so that all the glue stays at the bottom. And it's supposed to fit a ton of different things. So that's my fluid matte medium. That was my Fabri-Tac. This is PVA. It doesn't really hold a Yoo-hoo, but glue stick, but it can. It doesn't need to be kept upside down. But so it holds a lot of different glues upside down. So I got one for me and one for my friend. So that's the first thing. And that was Honeybee Stamps. And saw Dee Catron use hers. So that was kind of brilliant. All right, and then the next thing is I bought a bunch of things I've been wanting, and I found them over on Peace Craft Love on sale. So that was exciting. So I am trying to increase the my range of different acrylic inks, and there was this vivid lime green in the Liquitex brand, and I was really excited. This is like fluorescent green. I don't have a fluorescent green, so I've been wanting one. The other thing was that she had on sale over there, and that was on sale. Serious sale. All of these were serious sale. So I suggest you head over to Peace Craft Love because she's got it going on. There's little extras there. Peace Craft Love. Now, I don't usually use Amsterdam acrylics, but she had some colors on sale that I've been wanting. So the first one is Van Dyke Brown, and I've been wanting this brown for a long time. I'm a big fan of brown. And then I've been wanting to try Naphthol Red. And I don't really need blue turquoise, or turquoise blue, but oh my gosh, on sale. And I've been wanting to try the Amsterdam paints on my gel press. So I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to splurge. They were totally on sale. So I got these three colors at Peace Craft Love. Serious, wonderful pricing going on over there. I suggest you check it out. I will have links down below of all these products. And yeah. So serious yummy business happening right there. All right, and then I placed an order with Joggles. And, oops. Let's see if I can get this open. This is like a seriously sealed box. All right. Let's see if I can. My goodness. There we go. Ooh, some orange. I love the fact that I get all different kinds of tissue paper from them. And I always try to use it. Alright. You know, don't throw this paper away. This is really great for under paper. It's awesome. I'll never throw it away. Okay. Joggles. That's some serious pink right there. So, you know, I'm trying to expand my acrylic ink color range because I've been really enjoying them lately. So I got more. Azul Yellow Deep. I do not have any yellows. I have some oranges, and this is really more of an orange, but it's a lot different than my Azul Orange. This is Burnt Umber. And these are all Amsterdams. They also were on sale at Joggles. I never buy anything unless it's on sale. Well, the paint things weren't on sale. Turquoise Blue. Excited about that. And then, of course, the last drop in. Oh, you don't need another turquoise. Turquoise Green. And Oxide Black, because I don't have a black in the liquid acrylic. I only have like Indian ink black, and I have black acrylic that I've mixed with airbrush medium, but still thicker than these. So I thought, you know what, let's just add to it. They were on sale. And then I splurged. I've got more index cards for next year's iCAD because I use these all the time. I don't just use them for iCAD, but I love this watercolor paper. I love it. And I use it for doing samples when I do videos. And then I also got this rice paper. It also was on sale. And this is by, I can't remember who the designer on this one was. This is, maybe it's on here. Surprisingly, it doesn't say. Rebecca Meyer. I love Rebecca Meyer's artwork. Her designs are awesome. And I'm not a big butterfly person, but I love the butterfly kind of mashed up with letters and numbers and the grunginess of this. So hopefully you can see it okay through this plastic. But I really liked it. So, I mean, it was on sale. You can't beat $2.50 for a piece of rice paper. So that is what I got from Joggles. All right, well, the last bit of my packages came in, and this one is from Umwowstudio by Dee Dee Catron. And I usually do this. I kind of go a little crazy, but I love her stuff. So I actually have a dedicated basket to my Umwowstudio chippies. I call them chippies. Anyways, I have a lot. It's kind of an obsession with me. Anyways, I got some of her new stuff. So these are her vintage letter boards. And I mean, this is like a huge amount. And it's not letter, number boards. So these are brand new. And they come in 3 sizes. So there's big, and they're the vintage ones. So they come in big ones, medium ones, and small ones. So I'm so excited about those. I'm obsessed with numbers, and I'm obsessed with chipboard. So, and I'm obsessed with her packaging because I save all this packaging and reuse it. And this is not a new thing, but this is a 9x6 book bones. I love book bones. I think they're an awesome way to create easily and quickly with really low fuss art journals. And I always get extra spines because, as you know, I work really thick. So these are new. These are her word tags, and I think it comes in a regular one, like these are artist ones, and I think she has ones in snarky, or I don't remember what she calls them, but anyways, that's a new product from her. And this is fairly new. This is her washi tape that is the faux what you call it, vintage tape. So I've been wanting to look at this because I actually have some actual vintage tape. Come on, there we go. And look at that, and let me get my actual vintage wood tape out. It's right here. So, I mean, yeah. Of course, I'm not actually taping it on. Okay, so now you can get the idea. I mean, that is dead on, if you ask me. This is actual, of course, and this is her tape, and I think it's awesome. I'm so excited about that. Okay, I can't waste this. Put that right in there. And then I got some of these twirlies. I think these are oak seed pods. I got a couple of backgrounds, punchinella, and this hexagon shape, which is like a honeycomb. And I really love her stencils as well, and I've got quite a few of them. I like the size of them. They're great for small projects, and I like how thick they are. They're really thick, and they stand up really well. And bear with me a minute here. I am looking. I just have them out too. They might be over being washed. Let's see here. Oh no, here's 2 others. I think I have another one. All right, I think that one's over being clean, but this is fish eyes. These are poppy pods. There. Poppy pods. Fish eyes. These are her X's. I love that. I love how random and real. And I can't remember what this one's called. I love it. I love how organic all her stuff is. I just love that. I should make a pouch or something for all my Wow Studio stencils. But anyways, love her stuff, and I wanted to share because there was some of her new stuff in there. And yeah, and I wanted to see how this looked. This is awesome. I can't wait to dive into using it. All right, well, this has gotten kind of long, but that is it for this set of shopping sprees I've done. I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments if you like my unboxing videos. I don't do them often, but when I do shop, I try and do them. So definitely let me know what you think. Glad to have you along.